Imagine it's the 19th century, the heart of the Industrial Revolution. There's a sense of fear, excitement, and uncertainty. People whisper, our jobs will be gone. Fast forward to today, same sentiment, different players. It's not machines replacing manual labor, it's artificial intelligence replacing human intelligence. And again, people are saying, my job will be gone. In both eras, change was feared. But let's remember, the Industrial Revolution didn't eliminate work. It transformed it, creating new industries and opportunities that were unimaginable before. Just as factories became the growth engines of the 19th century, AI has the potential to drive growth in the 21st century. It's not about job elimination, it's about job transformation. Remember, with every revolution, there's disruption. But within that disruption lies the seed of innovation. Just like the steam engine and assembly line, AI is not a terminator of jobs, but a creator of new ones. Let's shift our perspective. Instead of fearing the AI revolution, let's embrace it. Let's equip ourselves with the right skills and mindset to thrive in this new era. The Industrial Revolution brought prosperity and progress. With the right approach, the AI revolution can do the same. After all, progress is not the enemy of employment, stagnation is. Let's move forward, together.